If you're running into a GOG payment error, or the GOG Galaxy shop keeps crashing when you try to check out, don't worry, this is usually a browser or script caching issue, and there's a very simple fix you can try right now. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GOG payment error step by step, using a clean browser session, so you can complete your purchase without the app getting in the way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix videos just like this. First, the reason this happens is often because the built-in shop window inside GOG Galaxy can get stuck with broken cookies, cached scripts, or extension conflicts. That means the payment page may freeze, fail to load properly, or crash during checkout. The easiest workaround is to skip the App Store window completely and use a standard web browser instead. Open Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. Then open a private window, also called Incognito mode or private browsing. This gives you a clean session with fewer stored cookies and less cached data interfering with the checkout process. Once the private window is open, go directly to the official GOG website, make sure you are on the real GOG site and not a third-party page. After that, log in with the same account you use for GOG Galaxy. If you have trouble logging in, double-check your password and make sure your browser is allowing the login page to load fully. After you're signed in, go straight to your cart or the game you want to buy and try completing the checkout there. In many cases, this works immediately because you're bypassing the broken in-app checkout window and using a fresh browser session instead. If the payment page still gives you trouble, there's one more important step to try. Temporarily disable any ad blockers, script blockers, tracking protection tools, or privacy extensions you have installed in your browser. These can sometimes block the scripts GOG needs for payment processing, which causes the page to stall or fail. Turn them off just for the GOG checkout, then refresh the page and try again. Once the payment goes through, you can turn those extensions back on. If you're still seeing the error, clear your browser cache and cookies for GOG specifically, then repeat the process in a private window. That often removes any corrupted session data that may be causing the issue. So to recap, use a normal browser, open a private or incognito window, sign in on the official GOG website, try the checkout there, and temporarily disable ad blockers or privacy extensions if needed. This simple method fixes a lot of GOG payment errors without having to troubleshoot the app itself. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.